Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today is day 5 and our final day of Color Week. Today's color is red. Today's guest of honor will be James Charles. I've tried this palette before and I did like it. I had some difficulties with it. So I haven't used it since, but I really want to have a vibrant color, so I know that the red in this is actually really good. So I'm gonna go back to this palette because, you know, I didn't have a difficulty with all the colors, just some of the colors weren't working out for me and the palette wasn't my best friend at the time. But we're gonna be going into this palette again. So I, as you know, for this week have been using eye primer, and the first time I used this palette I used concealer to prep my eyes. So I'm hoping and fingers crossed that that helps with using this palette. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe eyelid primer and get this started. Going in with this large shadow brush from Eco Tools. I'm going to go into the color T and put that all over just to kind of set this primer. Did I go into the wrong color? Oh my gosh, that's a lot darker than I thought it would be. Why is this so dark? Oh, that's a bit disappointing. It's okay though. I probably should have went in with Pinch Me. Yeah. Go over that with Pinch Me. Punch Me. It said punch me. I can't read. Just to kind of set that. I don't know why that was so dark. It is dark. It's a darker color. Next I'm going to go in with the color Boutique, and I'm going to put that right under my brow. Next I'm going in with this angled crease brush because it's just a tad bit smaller, and I'm going to go in with the color Benny and take that into the crease. Going back with the large shadow brush, I'm just going to lightly tap into Boutique and blend that out. I'm just going to keep going back and forth. Next, I'm going to cut my crease, and then I'll be right back. So I've cut my crease, and I cut it with a angle kind of liner. So now we're going to go in with the color You're Kidding. I'm going to use a smudge brush from e.l.f. I'm just going to pack that on. Just so I can be precise, I'm going to go in with the small precision brush, liner smudge brush into You're Kidding and finish this off. That is so vibrant, so what I was going for. So next, I don't know if I want to put a line above that. I don't know. We're going to go in with the eyeliner first, just to, we're going to line that right along there. Kind of cut it a little more because it's kind of thick. So we're going to do that first, and then I'm going to make that decision. Going in with NYX Epic ink liner. So I've done the eyeliner and I feel like something is missing. I just don't know what. I think I'm going to go in with So Good. Yeah, so good from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to use this tiny detailed liner. And I'm going to, for now, put this in the inner corner. And in here in the brow. This is coming off pretty gold, which is not what I wanted. I wanted more of a silver. Now taking that small smudge brush, I'm going to go into Boutique under the lower lash line. Now into the color Benny and blend that out. And just a touch of You're Kidding under all of that. You're Kidding. I think I'm liking it. I think once I put lashes on, I'll understand or realize that it doesn't need anything else. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not going to realize that. So, this is probably going to turn this into a Christmas look, which is not what I was going for. But this looks so plain. So, I think I'm going to take Ring Light. I'm just going to put that in the inner corner and like sprout it out so it kind of looks like a burst of color. I hope this turns out right. Yeah, that didn't do anything because that's supposed to be like a highlighter, so that didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. I don't want to go that gold. I might end up having to because this looks so plain and I don't want it to look this plain. I want it to kind of pop, but I don't want it to look like Christmas either. I don't want it to look like Christmas, so I might end up just leaving it. I'm going to put on my lashes, do the other eye. Hopefully while I'm doing that I can figure something out and I'll come back and let you guys know what the end result for this situation is. So I finished my eyes. I decided to just not do anything on the lid because I didn't want to mess it up. Minnie, what are you doing? She's just over here messing in everything. Can you be quiet for like 5 minutes? Thank you. I didn't want to mess it up. I was thinking about going with white liner over it and kind of, I don't know. But I'm happy I didn't because it looks good and it is red enough, I guess. So now we're going to move on to cheeks. Of course, I don't have a red blush, but I'm going to mix blush. That very, very vibrant pinkish purplish blush. And I'm going to mix it with You're Kidding from the James Charles palette, just to kind of give it that fiery red look. I'm going to take it out here. Oh, that's really red. That's what I was looking for. Next, I'm going to highlight. Y'all know how excited I am about highlighter now. If you saw my last video. I'm going to go in with the Uni Glow. Why? Oh, I got to turn it like that so you can see. The Uni Glow highlight palette. I'm going to go into... I'm going to go into Fantasy. That did it. That did it. It's more pink than I want it to be, though. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not kidding. This brush does the trick. Because when I was using my hand, my fingers, why did I just turn so weird? Did the color change in here? I feel like it did. On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. Ooh, look at that highlighter. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? On to the lips. Now this is a simple lip. I have decided that I'm not going to go in with a liner, or like not a black liner, because that's what I've been doing all week. I just got this dent in my chin that I don't have no idea where it came from. Just popped up today. I've now got a dimple in my chin, but it's not a butt chin because it's not in the middle. It's just chilling there. And it's not makeup because it's still there. Anywho, onto lips. If I can find my red liner. Why does this keep happening? They keep being right in front of me. My blue one was right in front of me. My red one's sitting right here, and I'm like, I gotta find it. Going in with this red liner after I sharpen it. I'm just gonna line these lips. Ooh, that is red, red, red. So I've got this NYX matte lipstick and this Vivid Matte Liquid from Maybelline. I have a lot of Maybelline products. Didn't realize it. I don't know which one I want to go in with. I'm going to go in with the NYX first because it just looks really red. I mean, they're both red, but we'll see how this works first. That's really red. And that is it. That is the complete look for day 5 of Color Week. This is red, very red. I think this one was the most successful. This one in pink. I think I like this one the most though. Purple was pretty good. We're not even gonna talk about blue. Blue just really made me upset. Rose gold was alright. It was just way too neutral. I feel like I want to do another day because it was so neutral, but I don't know if my face can handle that, all this makeup that I've been wearing lately, but I like this. I think this turned out pretty good. The blush is not too much, although I thought it was, but then when I put the lips on, it was like pow! And the blush went meow. So it worked out really good. That highlighter, I thought that was going to be too pink, but it worked out. The eyes worked out. I'm happy that I didn't add anything to it and mess it up. I like this look. I enjoyed this week. I had a really good time. It was fun. It was challenging. And that was the most important part, is that it was a challenge for me because I've never done bold looks like this. I've never even thought about it. Like, I didn't think that it was possible for me to pull these looks off. But I like them. And I think that this one is very wearable for like maybe a theme party. I don't know. I like it. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this week. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.